How to delete messages in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I am back here again with a quick and easy tutorial on how you can delete messages in Messenger. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Messenger application, and once you appear on this page, open the chat where you want to delete the message. Now long press the message which you want to delete, and here you will see the 4 different options. Now click on the more options, and again you will see 4 different options, from which click on the remove option. Now you can select whether you want to unsend the message or only wants to remove for yourself. Once you select the option, again click on remove, and once you do that, your message will be removed from the chat. So in this way you can delete a specific message in Messenger. But if you want to completely delete the conversation, long press the chat which you want to delete, and here you will see different options, from which click on the option of delete. Again confirm the process by clicking on delete, and here you go. In this easy and simple way you can delete message in Messenger. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then,